Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Instagram triangulator problem, how to fix it. Let's start. If you have a problem on your Instagram application, you can hold the icon of your app first, the Instagram app. You can go to the app info. This is the Android version. So you can clear the storage by tap on the storage usage and clear cache here. If you need, you can clear data, but you need to re-log in on your Instagram account. And let's get back and try to open your Instagram here. But if your Instagram is a play, there is no problem, so there is no need to continue the troubleshooting anymore. This is done. But if you still have a problem, let's say there is a notification or there is a like information, try again later. You can fix it by go to the settings. So this is the Instagram setting, and you can use help, and then you can use a so you can click tap report problem and report a problem without shaking. So you can type or brief explain what happened to your phone, to your Instagram. For example, try again problem or a bug. So you can send and you have to wait. So maybe this is feel helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.